to my favorite bunch of beauties. Welcome back to the channel. I am here. I don't know if you even remember what I look like. If you do not, I will reintroduce myself. My name is Denise. And I just wanted to get on here because I just wanted to do just a little bit of something just to make myself just feel a little bit more put together. I don't have any makeup on whatsoever, and I am actually going to do this backwards because I'm going to put my gloss on first because my lips feel super dry. And this is the Tower 28 gloss in the shade Sesame, one of my favorites. And it just makes your lips feel like they have a little bit more life. But I am going to zoom it in as I normally do, and I will get started. This is going to be a quick, neutral, I'm staying in the house but I want to film another video and I don't want to look dry type of look. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Alright, so I am back. I am just going to remove my glasses and get started. I am just going to use this little 5-pan palette from Natasha Denona. This is the Peak palette. Like I said, it is going to be a neutral look. I am using a different camera today. I'm using my G7X, my good old G7X, because for whatever reason my regular camera won't turn on, and I think it's that little battery adapter thing I have on it. I may just need to change it. I need something with a mirror to it, so let me just grab this. Yeah, but yeah, I was just in the mood and I need to get back into the routine of doing my videos. So I just decided I will come and do just a little bit of a look. We're not talking about any particular products, but we're just going to try to pull this look together. I have been like busy trying to launch my business, and if you don't know, but I'm sure you do because you've seen the videos, I do have a online business, and it is also called Beauty Over Age, and the website is beautyoverage.store. so the plan is to have it focusing on women 40 and over. And when I say that, I don't want it to seem like I'm going to be having a bunch of anti-aging products and all those types of things. I'm not. But I have seen a lot of videos where the younger women that I watch, they have small businesses as well, of course, but they sell a lot of like pink and cutesy and rabbits and not dolphins, unicorns and bunnies and all that type of stuff. My stuff is going to be more mature. If I have t-shirts, my t-shirts are going to be motivational. They may be sarcastic, but they will not have bunnies and unicorns on them. I will have, or I do have, products that I hand make myself, such as my cuticle oil and my face oil and my lip balms. And like I mentioned in another video, I forgot my brushes. One second. And just like that, I lost my train of thought. But the website is live now. I did get my first order, and thank you so much to the person who ordered from me. You know who you are. That completely made my day. It wasn't on the first, it was like midnight my time, but it could have still been the first their time. but I really appreciate that order. I am trying to work on like my marketing skills. That is my weakness for sure. So I didn't know if I wanted to like hire it out to like someone from Fiverr or something until I can learn how to do it myself, or they have it where you can get somebody to sort of review your online store, and they will tell you what they think that you need to do. I might do that because I know at the end of the day I need to learn how to do these things myself. Alright, so I am going to go, I think I'm going to go sort of like, because this one doesn't have like a medium shade for me, so I think I'm going to go with that darkest shade that's in the middle of the palette, and I'm just going to start like on the outer third of my eyelid, just here, and just kind of blend it over. But yeah, that is my biggest weakness, and something that I do want to develop is learning how to market my business, because products are products. Like, you can have the greatest product in the world, but if you don't know how to market it, nobody is ever going to find it, and that is what I am finding. I think I have decent products, but I don't think anybody is seeing my store. So that is what I am going to be focusing on, is my marketing. I will be adding some new products for fall. They are not going to be fall related. Well, I may have like a tumbler or two that's like pumpkin spice or something like that related to fall, but because I'm going to actually use this bronzer in my crease, Burnished Honey, because I am a child of the 70s and the 80s, I decided that I would do a whole sort of 70s slash probably 60s hippie era collection. So I already have the 2 tumblers. I'll show you one of them because I have it right here. I made one for myself, and the collection is going to be called Hippie Soul. So I have this in like, uh-oh, is my camera about to die? But I have this, yeah, in the African American version, and I also have it in a Caucasian version. So yeah, but my camera is about to die, so let me charge this battery and then I'll come back. I think I'll probably end up using my phone, so I'll be right back. All right, so forgive me because I am on my camera. I do not know if I am looking in the right place, but I hope that I am. And I do not know how to zoom in on this thing, but we will continue. I am going to take a little bit of the reddish color here, right here, and put that in my crease as well, just for a little bit of something different. But yeah, I was saying before I so rudely got the notification that my camera was dying, that I am going to be bringing the Hippie Soul collection out. It'll probably be like in mid to late August, and it will be based around her. And I wish I could show you. I have a picture of the 2 of them together, so I'll show you that one. So it'll be 2 tumblers, there'll be 2 tote bags, and there will be, I have tumbler, tote bags, and something else. There's 3 things. I can't remember right now, but yeah, that will be what I consider my fall collection. So it will probably be limited edition. But you know, limited edition, depending on how it is received could turn into something permanent. I am using the only shimmery shade in here on my lid. I really like that sort of hippie vibe. Of course, being a child of like the 70s, I like that hippie vibe. I like the peace sign, you know, that little van that looks almost like the Scooby-Doo van. I like all of it. So that is my era, and this is Beauty Over Age. So we are going to bring back the hippie vibe. All right, and I think this is pretty much going to be the eyes. I am going to take another brush though. I think I have one similar to that one. I can use this one, and I'll take the lightest shade in here, and that's this one, and just put a little bit of it on my brow bone. Just a little bit on the brow bone. So yeah, those are the plans for fall. Also, I'm going to be doing a couple of pop-ups in my area in August, which I am intimidated by and looking forward to at the same time. My favorite eyeliner, the Melt Slick Waterline Eye Pencil in Cacao. Because I am trying to push myself out of my comfort zone. Not the most comfortable in front of like a crowd of people, but I have been trying. I've done I did one pop-up with my own business, my old business, the 5 o'clock beauty. I did 1 or 2 pop-ups with that. So I do have a little bit of experience, but that has been years since I did that. So this is all going to be sort of new to me again. I am going to be using the Juvia's Place concealer under these tired eyes. I feel like I have been super busy trying to get this done, dealing with things that are going on with me, working, all that stuff. So I have been tired with the extra D at the end of it. So YouTube videos have sort of been on the back burner, but I realized that I miss it. So I am back. All right, so that eye looks a little bit more lively. I need to get myself together because I don't even make time to put a little bit of makeup on to go to work. I look tired and haggard all of the time, and that is just not me. I love my makeup, so we have got to get back to this. All right, so we have that on. I hope this video comes out okay because I don't normally film on my camera. I am actually filming in 4K. So I feel a little bit bougie, but I hope that this comes out okay because I feel like my actual lens is over here on this side, but I find myself looking at the middle of the screen because that is where my face is. So I hope it works. But I am going to use this powder as my foundation today, and this is the Fenty Pro Filter powder. And we will start here. And it will not be a whole heck of a lot because I am chilling today. I am going to try and get a little bit of work done. I have to do some Instagram reels and some stuff for TikTok. You know, we're trying to get this marketing situation going, so I am going to try to stay on top of that. I think I may need to look into a couple of things that I want to order. So always doing something. Let me put my glasses back on because I can't see a thing, just to make sure everything is looking okay. We look okay. I am going to put some mascara on real quick. I think my favorite drugstore mascara is the Essence Lash Princess. So that is what I am using. And we'll make this. This is what you call quick work of a little makeup look. This would be like something I would do for work, something real quick, but that makes you look a little bit more awake and refreshed. Hides my dark circles. Are they hormonal dark circles? I don't know, but it hides my dark circles. Makes me look a little bit more pulled together. The only thing that I want to do now is to put on a little bit of blush. I'm going to grab one of my matte blushes, and I wish I had my favorite one, but that is not, that is somewhere else. So I'm going to grab a Pat McGrath blush, and that's not the one I want. Neither is that one, but we'll use this one. I need to do my makeup baskets again too, because I'm going to use this. No, I am not. That is not what I want. I am going to say hold on, and then I am going to go and grab the blush that I actually want. All right, so I grabbed the one that I actually wanted, and that is the Raisin blush from MAC. Take my glasses off again, and we'll just do a quick little something here. Not too much, because we are not going out of the house today. All right, and that is pretty much the look. I am going to put a little bit more of that lip gloss on. And that's it. That just makes me look a little bit more refreshed, and like I actually want to get up and do something today. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.